Hey, I'm Paul with RackOutfitters.com, and this is a fit for a 2009 through 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Pioneer Platform backbone system. The system is using the Pioneer Platform, which measures 56 inches wide and 60 inches long. It's constructed with an extruded aluminum material with a powder coat finish. Each plank has tracks to accommodate a wide range of off-road accessories. Accessory load bars are available separately to accommodate a wide range of recreational accessories, making this rack system very versatile and an excellent platform for a wide range of different applications. It measures only 1.5 inches thick, making it very low profile and offers excellent aerodynamic performance. So it is supported by the backbone system, which is the vertical steel plate that is connected into the ditch channel of this vehicle. This does require drilling and riv nuts to be inserted into the drilled holes. Included with the system are the fasteners to connect it to the riv nuts, as well as butyl mastic to provide a weather-tight seal. So this is a very strong system because it is attached into the strongest portion of the roof, where two sections of sheet metal are joined together, giving this rack system a 220-pound load carrying capacity and a 730-pound static load capacity, meaning when you're parked, that can support 730 pounds of static load, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. So this particular system with these two components also fit other Ram vehicles, including the 2500 and 3500 models, ranging in years from 2000 through 2019. It comprises just two part numbers. It is the backbone system, which is the RR1B1, and the Pioneer Platform, which is the 42113BF. This exact system can be found on our website. Just visit the link in the video description, which will take you to our website that has this particular product along with a full line of Rhino-Rack products. And thanks for watching.